What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna hit another car meet. It's gonna be like a hypercar meet. So there's gonna be a bunch of cars. I heard there's gonna be like some crazy unicorn car. So that means like some crazy rare hypercar probably. So that should be sick. But we're also cruising with like 20, 30 Supras. So that should be cool too. Yeah, I'm about to go meet up with them right now and then see what we get into. But do a cold start. Alright guys, we got to the first spot. Got some Supras here, like 4 or 5. Got a G80. White Supra right there, looks crazy. And then a Volkswagen. And then we're gonna cruise to another spot to go meet up with more Supras. So yeah, should be sick, guys. Gotta pull up. Got some crazy McLaren I just seen. Probably post that right now. Carrera, got all the Supras. More Supras back there. Back there. Yeah, guys, it's about to be sick. We just got to the meet. So packed, so we found parking all the way back here. There's all these cars too. Bro, how is this the first car I see? Oh my gosh, GTRS, Super Trofeo. What? So tough. SV? SV or SVJ? SV, bro. People say SVs are better. Really? I don't know why, though.
I think SVJ.
I know, I think SVJ too, but people are starting to say SVs are better. I don't know. I personally would take both of them.
Exactly.
I would take either. I don't care. Give me an SVJ, give me an SV. I don't care, guys. Give me the cheapest one. Got this Huracan right here. McLaren. Another Huracan. This STO though. This color is insane. 750S? I don't know. It's crazy, guys. I don't even know what car this is. What brand is that? Look at this wrap, guys. This thing is insane. This is the kind of wrap I'll get in GTA, bro. That chrome wrap. What? On the TEs? Nah, that's crazy. I fuck with that. That's hard. Oh, Richard Mille wrap? That's tough. It's like the Mercedes-Benz wrap, I think. 600 LT. Maybe I should get one, guys. Huracan Evo. This thing is crazy. Look at the interior. It's so fire. Got 765 LT. Got this Lambo, crazy wrap. Look at these wheels, guys. The Honda wheels. So sick. 720S. Roadster. Bro, that lip. Imagine destroying that lip, bro. How much do you think that lip is? Like 5 grand?
I think he probably has, you know.
I know, that shit is low as fuck. It's so sick. I always wanted to do this wrap on the Supra, guys. Like red and Marlboro, you know, that'll be tough. RA with the beadlocks. Jeez, I just seen this one in Finding Nick's video. This thing literally went to Utah, freaking Las Vegas. All on the beadlocks. It's like a 1300 horsepower. Got the R34 right here. Super clean. Nismo. This thing is insane. 750 ABS. Insane. Look at these taillights, guys. Can't believe these taillights. What do you guys taking this spec or not? Why is it low-key hard though? I fuck with it. I take it. It's a STO, like got this Lambo on bags. I don't think I've ever seen a Lambo on bags before, especially this low. Look how small the tank is, guys.
You gotta be on bags for this, for sure. Yeah, for sure, right?
Fitment is perfect though. Oh my gosh. Crazy kid. And it's twin turbo. That's
Here on
insane.
this end,
So sick, guys. Delivery walk, twin turbo on bags. That's crazy. Wow. I love it.
Like this, bro.
I always wanted one like that with that color. That'd be
Never
sick.
takes it out.
Bro, look at this guy's 360 camera. Oh my god. It's all the way up to like the roof. Sheesh. You got Finding Nick's M3 single turbo. Whole kit done. Golden Rush. D-blocks in the back. Yeah, this thing is tough, guys. We got a McLaren P1. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. How do you drive this on the street? That's fucking sick. This is insane, guys. I've never seen nothing like this. This guy's full carbon. That's insane. Imagine how light it is. And another freaking Bugatti. This is insane. It's literally all carbon. Even the wheel barrel. Oh my gosh, guys. I've never seen this car in person. I drive this car in Gran Turismo 7. It's insane, guys. I've never seen one of these ever. Insane, guys. Carrera GT. Another Carrera GT. It's so packed. I've never been to a car meet that this packed, bro. It's insane. Another Carrera GT. Look at the suspension. All carbon. This is a dream car, guys. Full carbon Chiron. See this, guys. It's not black. It's all carbon fiber. Holy shit. R35 and R34 next to each other. TEs. It's tough. Which one are you guys taking? Honestly, guys, I'm taking the R34. I love R35s, but R34 is just something different, you know? Immediately broken necks. ASAP. Legendary. Damn. New Revolto. Holy fuck. This is insane, guys. I've never seen a car meet this packed. All this for cars. Look at this. What is this, guys? This is insane, guys. RWB. You got a Carrera GT, Senna, another McLaren, a Bugatti Chiron in the back. This is literally the car scene in California, guys. This is insane. Bro, we need to get on this. Like, what do we do, bro? We literally just drive Supras. Like, got a Senna, another M4, GT4 RS. Holy fuck, this color's sick. Some crazy ass looking Porsche. I don't even know what that is. A Chiron. Holy fuck. Finding Nick. Full carbon Bugatti, guys. GTR, guys. Literal fucking race car on the streets, bro. Holy fuck. Look at that steering wheel inside. That's insane. Oh, it looks so good. It's so good. And it's manual too. Oh my gosh. That's perfect. Alright guys, that meet was cool. It was so packed though, like, oh my gosh, you could barely walk, and like barely found parking. I found parking all the way in the bed. It was so fun. Seen some crazy cars, and now I'm probably gonna go get food with the homie. I'm starving, guys. I haven't ate all day, so yeah, let's see what to do after. This is the homie. Alright guys, I just got home. It was pretty successful day. It was like an hour drive home, so I'm super tired. Gonna chill, edit this video, and yeah guys, maybe there's a meet tomorrow. We'll see. Yeah guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. I can't believe that. Like, it seems a little bit, but to me that's honestly a lot. So thank you guys, and yeah, keep going guys. It's just up from here.